Hi, Ben Franklin fans. I'm Allie Dosdell here at the We Are Memory Keepers booth, and I'm going to show you all about our new Label It label maker. It comes in the mint and the pink, and it's the matching kind of retro modern style that goes with our typewriters and our Stitch Happy sewing machines. What's great about this tool is you can exchange out these font wheels, and we have 4 different fonts. We have serif and sans serif. We've got uppercase and lowercase. It also comes with different widths of tape. Let's turn this so you can see there's the 3/8 inch and the 3/4 inch. It comes in several different colors: warm, cool, neutral, and metallics. And my favorite is this wood grain here. I love that one. And all you have to do is just squeeze down here, turn the dial to choose your letter, and then you give a half squeeze and out it comes. And then you use this lever here to cut it off. And it has a little tab when you cut it off that helps to peel off, so you can stick that right on your albums or your storage boxes or wherever you want to add a label, cards, scrapbook pages, journaling. So it comes in a kit with 2 different fonts with 6 different rolls of tape in both sizes and different colors, and it's just so much fun and exciting, and so hope you guys get a chance to enjoy it. So thanks for joining me.